Hello! In this video, we will learn how to put letters or decals on our resin. I know some of you already know how to do this, but there is a lot of newbies out there and I want to help them. Thank you. There are many types of vinyl. The most common are adhesive vinyl and textile vinyl. We will use adhesive vinyl. We must be careful to choose one that does not lose color with resin. To cut the vinyl, we need a cutting plotter. There are so many in the market, and one of them is Silhouette Cameo and Cricut. All of them have a computer program to make your own design. Then the machine cuts the vinyl and it will be ready to use in many things with resin, such as coasters, trays, jewelry, art, among other things. Once we have cut the vinyl, we are ready to remove the excess very carefully. Using a peeling tool or with your own hands, it depends on your vinyl. Remember to be very careful in order not to break the decals. And also remember that the adhesive is very sticky and it can cause some problems. If you make a good cut, you'll not have problems to peel it. In the computer programs, you can put the measurement of the surface, so the letters come out the size you want. We will also need transfer tape, and this will help us to put our decals on the resin. To work with vinyl, you also have to develop skills, so I suggest you to watch many videos on the subject. The transfer paper will help us to respect the spaces and punctuation marks. As you see, it's not that difficult to put a really beautiful decals on your resin. I didn't really like the colors on this one. The next time I will use darker color to make it stand out more. You can reuse the transfer tape. This project I was doing ink trials with 10-minute resin. You can find this video in my Instagram. And if you want me to explain this fully, I can do a video just for you. So please leave a comment if you want to know how this works. Sometimes I think that you are very benevolent with me and you don't tell me what you really think. Tell me, even if you think I wouldn't like to hear it. Please. Okay, maybe you can hurt my feelings, but it's for my own good, I understand. And this was part of the experiment, cells in alcohol inks. And now that I cut the vinyl, I will just peel it and I will put these on my canvas. Don't forget to see the recommended video at the end. I am putting the decals freehand, but there is a lot of videos that help you to do a good place of your decals or to put them in the right place since the beginning. I broke a letter, but fortunately I was able to repair my mistake. These words in Spanish is tú puedes, in English means you can, and this is all of because I am opening my own resin academy here in my country, and I am super excited to share this dream with you. Remember that you can also use acrylic markers or permanent markers. You can find the acrylic markers in craft store. Of course, you can do this effect with ink, with alcohol ink in color gold, but I will use the marker to do some lines over here and there. Sometimes the tip gets stuck and you just have to give it a push. Resin makes the darker lines look a little bit less or thin, and it's good to know that it won't look these brilliant colors, they will low down. It's time to protect our decals and put altuming in our pieces. I am using Fire Opal glitter and Florentine Gold extra fine glitter. If you are a glitter addictive just like me, you will surely enjoy this part. For all those who has experience in resin and already have a really clear idea of what do you need to start to learn resin, I want to ask you, what was the first thing that you would love to know before you start to using resin? Any comment is welcome. I use extra fine glitter to doom the canvas. Don't forget to pass the torch in all over the canvas or you will have some bubbles. And that was the video for today. I hope you learned something new and do something beautiful with this knowledge. I have to ask you again, please subscribe and share and do something that helped me to survive on YouTube. Thank you. See you next time.